Hi babes, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you guys are new here. Today I woke up really early. It is a Sunday. It is a Sunday and it is 9:36, but I woke up at around 7 o'clock and I got my day started. You guys saw me making my bed this morning, and then I also was editing my yesterday's vlogmas to make sure it got up today so I could be ahead of schedule. I figured today would be an awesome day to do a big Sunday reset. I'm gonna Sunday reset this weekend, and then next weekend I'm gonna do like my New Year's reset. So I figured it would be fun to kind of separate the two. So if you guys are into videos like that and you are new here, please make sure you're subscribing. I would love to have you. So my fiance is currently at the Chiefs game. They go really early so they can tailgate, and as much as I love him, it's really nice to have out of the apartment so that I can kind of clean and just have a nice girly Sunday reset. So that's what I'm going to do today. Okay, let's go get ready for the gym. FYI, this is definitely gonna be part of my reset today because what the hell. Anyways, we're gonna ignore that and we're gonna pick out something to wear to the gym. I honestly kind of would love to wear leggings, but I don't know, the gym gets really hot because people blast the AC in there. Probably will not wear leggings. Let's see. Okay, here's what we went with. Just my spandex. This is just like an Old Navy little black long sleeve top. I actually have thrifted this, so I have no clue like what it's called or anything, but I thrift a lot of my tops for activewear. I just feel like you can find some really cute stuff. I love like older style as well, like early 2000s activewear, like those really cute tank tops and stuff like that. So this is the fit. Okay guys, I'm home from the gym and I do want to start an early dinner just because I am going to make a pasta. So I want the sauce to be able to sit on the stovetop for a while. I'm then going to do the dishes. So the dishes are kind of piled up. So I'm going to do that after the fact that I prep dinner. And then I need to clean up my beauty area. And then after all that, just make sure I go ahead and pack my lunch for tomorrow. Make sure that I have my clothes set out. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start prepping dinner. You guys will see that. I'm making pasta and sauce with turkey meatballs. Turkey meatballs are so good, healthier for you, and it's me and Andrew's favorite. So that's what we're gonna do. So we have the sauce and the meatballs starting to cook. So while these are cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the dishes. I literally saw something on Twitter that was like, if you have a space with like your appliances in it and you don't use those appliances every day, you need to put it up. And I had my toaster there for the longest, and I had my knife block that my dad got me a couple Christmases ago in one of the cabinets up here. So I put the toaster away so that I made room for the knife block, and I feel like it just kind of flows better with like the wood accents I have in the kitchen. So love that. Just made that little switch. I just hung up this painting. I did have it over here, but something about this wall having a horizontal painting just like does it for me. And this one is so pretty in Christmas, and I just feel like it kind of ties in beautifully with what we've got going on. I don't measure anything, so when I hang stuff up, I use a level. I use literally jewelry pliers to pull the nail back out. I have this jar full of nails, and then I literally go like this to hammer it in, and I just use like 2 or 3. The brackets on these Desenio posters and frames are like super solid, so I never have to do more than a couple. And the amazing thing about this apartment is almost every single wall that looks like it should be hanging something always has a bracket or like a mark in the wall, so rarely do I have to measure anything because this already had nail holes, and I just kind of assumed they were correct. And this looks pretty dang even to me, unless I'm just crazy, but I feel like it adds a really pretty touch to our little dining room area. This is genuinely why I love waking up so early, because I'm just sitting here looking at the clock. It's like 1:30 and it's like I've wiped down surfaces in the bedroom. I literally came into the bathroom and wiped down all the counters and did like a big good clean on the mirror. I just feel so good. I cleaned Bean's bathroom, aka the guest bathroom, and everything just honestly looks so good. And I'm so here for that. So I'm going to finally shower, and then once I shower, I'm gonna bundle back up, and I need to pick up a Target order that literally just consists of Alani's to get me through my last week of school and classes. That's what we have on the board. And then I can kind of maybe relax for a second, eat some late lunch, early dinner, my turkey meatballs I made, and then I'm gonna clean my beauty room out, at least clean like the top of my desk and stuff like that in my little beauty area. So I'm excited for that, and then we're almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my Alani's. It's 2:55. I sat down and snacked a little bit, watched a little bit of football just to kind of relax for 2 seconds. I put a little bit of makeup on, made a couple TikToks and YouTube shorts, and like I said, it's 2:56, so I'm going to go get my Alani's from Target before all the game traffic comes back through Kansas City. And then once I get back, and I might have a little midday coffee, I'm going to make sure I have all the pasta and stuff done and finished, and then I'm gonna start cleaning off my vanity because it's the last thing on my list today. Everything else I've gotten done, like laundry. I made my to-do list for work, and then I will kind of start prepping and continue prepping for work a little bit later into the night, and then finish my night off with some tea because, oh my gosh, I love a good detox tea. It has been like saving my stomach lately. I feel so much better drinking a tea or kombucha before bed. So that'll be like my full reset routine that you guys see. And yeah, so I will check in when I'm doing some more productive things. Okay, so I know I said I was gonna make coffee at home, but I had a free, it was like free something. I got it from the Starbucks for Life, and then I used the rest of my gift card that I had, so I didn't even pay anything. So girl math tells me it doesn't count. But what's wrong with like a little midday coffee to help me be productive? So I am back, and I wanna just pick this up, this whole area, so that I can have a little bit more of an organized start to my week. I'm so freaking excited to start the week out and just get it over with in the best ways. I love the week before a Christmas break. It just brings me so much joy and like excitement. These are my ears that I'm gonna wear for one of our spirit days. They're reindeer ears. You guys can't even see all of them because they're huge. Okay, really excited. So I basically have a bunch of random crap on my desk. I don't even know why I just showed you guys that, but random crap on my desk. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this up, just get myself reset to use the space for the week ahead. Okay guys, just a time check. It's 4:55 and I packed my lunch. I really like bringing dates with me to work. If you guys have never tried dates before, they're so good. I always recommend getting ones that are not pitted because it keeps them softer. And these literally taste like caramel. I just am so obsessed with them. So I like to bring a couple of those. They're pretty satiating. For my actual lunch, let me move that, but I did make some chicken salad for the week. I put about 2.5 scoops of chicken salad in there. It looks like, honestly, I put too much, and I would just eat that with crackers. It's something that's light. use like a cheese stick at times to like break it up and make it like a little snack plate, and it's really good. I always bring some pop chips just in case I get hungry between lunch and before we have to leave, especially if I run errands after school. Sometimes I don't even eat these at school. I just have them in my bag. So if I'm running errands after school, I know I have a snack. And then of course, gotta get my Lonnie in there and gotta get my Diet Coke. So that'll be my little lunch. Oh, and then a Cliff Bar for breakfast. So I will actually put this guy like in my purse. That's something that I would typically always pack for lunch. It just keeps it light and yummy and easy to prep. Okay, babes, the only other thing that I really need to do that's productive other than a chill period before I start winding down for bed is make my to-do list. So I have a to-do list of what I should be doing throughout the day. So everything that I should be doing throughout the day on work days. And then I have it also for what I should be doing when I go home. So I'm gonna kind of update that for this week. And that just is what I like to do on Sundays, really help me get on track for like work things, personal life things I need to handle. I have to run and finish some more Christmas stuff, so that's what I'm gonna do here on my laptop for probably the next like 10-15 minutes. And clearly Bean's here to help me.